chora, Éder, não chora. Não chora, don't cry, Éder. Louco, velho.
It's the best God rock and beats here on Live. Well, the big man's in next, Mr. Jason Strong. He's got a whole bunch of music coming your way. He'll have Track Attack, he'll have Countdown, he'll have Live Fest tickets. You might hear Aslan Roar, you might hear Day of Fire song Fade Away in full, because that hasn't played yet, of course. And if you do hear it, then you're in with the chance to take away 2 full weekend passes to Parachute 06 and get your seat, the best seat in the house on the main stage to see Day of Fire play live. And don't forget to jump in and get your early bird tickets while they're still cheap. They're cheaper than they're meant to be at the moment, so jump into ticketek.co.nz, make sure you get them nice and early. Coming up next, we've got Audio Adrenaline with Pink, and then Jason's going to be in. Here's a taste of the music that he's got for you.
Good. Scared.
Diga como você está se sentindo nesse momento.
Cara, completamente louco isso, meu. O medo que dá quando o troço sai, que tu vai cair, parece que tu vai cair. Rapaz do céu.
Quando vira, velho.
O negócio é...
Gostou, Heitor? Gostou?
Pra caralho, velho.
É
tão bom quanto o bang jump, cara.
Ah, é?
É do caralho.
E você, Éder?
Do caralho. É a primeira vez que eu tô fazendo um esporte radical na New Zealand. Cara, é show de bola mesmo. Vamos ver o vídeo ali, galera.